Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to show the crystal clear analysis of what government take on OPS. So friends, a team or a side of government employees are thinking that the government may restore OPS, that's provisionally known as old pension scheme. So friends, on today 22nd of July 2024, the government in Lok Sabha had answered the question asked regarding old pension scheme, and the question was asked that whether the government proposes to implement old pension scheme. If so, the time by which is it likely to be implemented for all those in service after January 1st 2004. So friends, this question is being asked for concerning government employees who fall in NPS, new pension scheme, and they are regularly demanding for OPS. So government's take on the OPS is that there is no provision under consideration of government India for registration of all pension scheme in respect of central government employees. So friends, the government has totally denied that there is any provision for a restoration or there any consideration for restoring old pension scheme. But I would recall you at the event that initially the meeting a week ago took place, that government is planning to making some update on NPS provisions, and that's 50% of a pension of last business salary is base salary, or base salary as pension plus DA and D are linked, but there won't be any NPS corpus returned to you. So NPS 100% corpus will go to government fund. So this is big update that government has denied for restoration of old pension scheme. Thank you guys.